Here is few questions for examinations. First question, which of the following is sewage treatment removes suspended solid? Answer will be the primary treatment. Select the mismatch. Means pinus is not a dioecious. Means pinus is monoecious. All are correct. What is the criterion for DNA fragments movement on agarose gel electrophoresis? Answer will be the smaller the fragment size, the farther it moves. In bougainvillea, thorns are the modification of a stem. The association of histone H1 with a nucleosome indicates, answer will be the DNA is condensed into a chromatin fiber. A temporary endocrine gland in human body is corpus luteum. Select the mismatch. Here either rhodospirillum mycorrhiza. Rhodospirillum is pre-bacteria and mycorrhiza is the symbiotic in nature. So it is incorrect, and all other are correct. Gonadotropin releasing hormone, a hypothalamic hormone needed in reproduction, acts on anterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of LH and FSH. A gene whose expression helps to identify transformed cell is known as selectable marker. Presence of plants arranged into well-defined vertical layer depending on their height can be seen best in tropical rainforest. Functional megasporin angiosperm develops into embryo sac. DNA replication in bacteria occurs prior to fission. Which among these is correct combination of aquatic mammals? Here answer will be the whales, dolphins and seals. Coconut fruit is a drupe in nature. Double fertilization is exhibited by angiosperms. Which of the following components provide a sticky character to the bacterial cells? Answer will be the glycocalyx. Life cycle of ectocarpus and fucus respectively are haplodiplontic and diplontic. Good vision depends on adequate intake of carotene-rich food. Best options are, here is the three options are correct. Vitamin A derivatives are formed from carotene and retinol is derivative of vitamin A. Retinol is light absorbing part of all the visual photopigments. Thalassemia and sickle cell anemia are caused due to the problem in globin molecule synthesis. Select the correct statement. Here answer will be the thalassemia is due to less synthesis of globin molecule. Which of the following are not polymeric? Here lipid will be the answer because all other are polymeric. A disease caused by an autosomal primary non-disjunction is Down syndrome. With reference to factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis, which of the following statement is not correct? Answer will be the 3. C3 plants respond to higher temperature with enhanced photosynthesis, while C4 plants have much lower temperature optimum. This is the incorrect answer. and rest all are correct. Fruit and leaf drop at early stage can be prevented by the application of auxins. The region of biosphere reserve, which is legally protected and where no human activities is allowed, is known as core zones. In case of poriferans, the spongosphere is lined with flagellated cells called choanocytes. Decrease in blood pressure or volume will not cause the release of ANF, arterial natriuretic factor. A dioecious flowering plant prevent both. Answer will be the autogamy and geitonogamy. Which of the following facilitate opening of a stomatal aperture? Answer will be the radial orientation of cellulose microfibrils in the cell wall of guard cells. The DNA fragments separated on an agrogel can be visualized after staining with ethidium bromide. Which statement is wrong for Krebs cycle? Answer will be the cycle start with condensation of a style group with pyruvic acid citric acid. This is the wrong and rest all are correct. Mycorrhizae are the example of mutualism. The pivot joining between atlas and axis is a type of synovial joint. Which of the following is correctly matched for the product produced by them? Answer will be the Saccharomyces cerevisiae ethanol. Frog heart when taken out of the body continue to beat for some times because frog heart is myogenic in nature and heart is auto-excitable. Myelin sheath is produced by Schwann cells and oligodendrocytes. Capacitation occurs in female reproductive tract. The morphological nature of the edible part of coconut is endosperm. Which of the following made up of dead cells? Answer will be the phloem. In case of couple where the male is having a very low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for fertilization? Answer will be the artificial insemination. Which of the following RNAs should be most abundant in animal cell? Answer will be the ribosomal RNA. The vascular cambium normally gives rise to secondary xylem. The current sequence of event during mitosis here: condensation, then nuclear membrane disassembly means disappearing, arrangement at equator and chromosome arranged at equator, centromere division takes place, then segregation of chromatids, then telophase arised. Which of the following option best represents the enzyme composition of pancreatic juice? Answer will be the lipase, amylase, trypsinogen, and procarboxypeptidase. Attractants and rewards are required for entomophily. Okay, thank you.